I'll show you how you can export your Excel to PDF with VBA, with formatting and auto-clearing input fields. First off, you want to go to File. On File, go to Options. On Options, go to Customize Ribbon. On here, check on Developer. Tap on OK. Now, on the ribbon here, you will now see a Developer option. On the Developer option, go to Visual Basics. On here, go to View. Go to Code. On Code, I'm going to paste in the code right now. You can pause the video, and then you want to go ahead and just copy all of this code here, right? And this is a pre-made code to export to PDF and also clear. Now on here, I've added comments. Here you can change your sheet name. So if your sheet name is called, let's say here, my sheet name is called Book 1, then change this to Book 1. Now on here, you need to define the export range and what you want in the PDF. And this will be your data range. So from what cells to what cells. So change this if you'd like. And then on the bottom here, this is where you can see, this is where we can clear the input fields after the export. And then in here, you need to change it to your input cells. So P2 to P10 here, for example. But for you, of course, it'll be different for everyone. So to summarize, this is where you need to change the name, change the range, and then change the input fields of what to clear.